Export to Excel in Laravel and download the file in View. Install my website or Excel. Create two routes. One for export the data and one for downloading the file. Create an export class with the artisan command make Excel. In the export route, save the file and respond with a redirect to the download route. In the download route, return the file for download. In View, make a HTTP request to the export route. You can use Axios or Fetch. Just navigate to the URL using window, location, ref equals URL, and that's all.